guys, you're welcome back to another video from Mobility Concept TV. Guys, today we are at Fairfield Estate in Abidjan in Lagos, Nigeria. What we want to do here is the installation of American panel door. The white American panel door is an economy based door that is good for interior design, and this door needs some technical knowledge before you can install it. It's not a door you can give to your bricklayer to do. And the process of installing this door is that you have to install and you have to assemble on site to know the direction of opening. You have to know the direction of opening right. You have to know the thickness of the wall, and also when this door is being installed, the bricklayer have to be on site. It's the installer that will set it up, then the bricklayer will now add the mortar to it. Then how much we charge this together for the installation purpose. Then what is there is that when this door is installed, you don't open it until it is dried, because when you open the door, because it doesn't have a base frame, that is why it shifts at the bottom. So you have to leave it locked for like 8 to 24 hours before you can open this door. So currently the door is about to be assembled, assembling, installation, and mortar. That's the process of installing this door. In another new location, this is Fairfield Estate in Abidjan. We are about to do installation of this American panel door installation. We have 3 numbers of the room size, then 4 numbers, I think 5 numbers of the toilet size. So we are installing American panel for this apartment. This is a room. This is one of the room. We have the toilet. This is the toilet size by my right, and the room size here, white American panel doors. This is one of the toilets, and the process of installing American panel door is installation before tiling. This is the reason why you have to install American panel before tiling, is that it involves concrete, cement, it involves mortar to be used to hang the frame. If it has to be wooden door doesn't need any tiling before. The wooden door needs tiling before installation, but American panel is among steel door. It needs to be installed before tiling. The door, you have to put the cylinder first and set it to the system. So this is what we are doing now. bá ń tilẹ̀kùn yẹn jọ. Ọ̀bọ̀ ẹnu rí.